Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Latoya Watts, aka LT, and I'm going to be showing you a video today about how to get free leads using Sniply. Okay, so I'm just going to go over to that site real quick, and that site is sip.ly. Alright, see if I typed it in right. snip.ly. Alright, so if you don't have a Sniply account, what you want to do is create a free account. Alright, you're going to log in and enter your credentials. Once you're inside, you can create a free document inside of this platform here that will allow you to get free leads. Alright, so I'm gonna visit my dashboard since I'm already logged in. Alright, so once you're inside your account here, you want to click on create snip. Alright, but it's also asking you to enter a URL. I've already branded my profile because you simply add your picture and then you create your call to action. Alright, so what you want to do is go find an article. Okay, so I'm going to use BuzzSumo, and I already have the tab pulled up to find a content for this particular platform, and I'm going to tell you why it's powerful. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to BuzzSumo. This platform allows you to grab content and it shows you the analytics of articles. You know, how much engagement that article has gotten per Facebook, um, Twitter, different platforms like that. So I'm going to show you an example about how to find an article using this particular platform. You can also create an account here. If you don't have one, you can create a 7-day free trial. You can also use Google as another option to find articles. Okay, so I'm going to just show you how powerful this is. Alright, so I'm going to look for an article for women in business. Alright, and as you can see, I was trying to exit off of it. Might open up another screen, I'm not sure. But as you can see, these are all the articles that pop up. You can see the Facebook engagement, the number of shares by Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit, and, you know, basically the total engagement. So that's why BuzzSumo is a great platform, because you get the buzz. You really get to see um, what people are looking at, what they are engaging with, and that better helps you when you go market for your niche. Okay, so this tool right here, this different platform right here, this can be used for any niche, okay? So I'm just looking for an article real quick, something that I can put over into my Snip account that I can put out to the marketplace. So you want to always be giving your audience value, right? You can also see what's trending when you're searching for your content. Let's see what this is about. You can also use this software straight from your cell phone. Alright. This as well as Sniply. Taking a little minute for this article to load. But as it does, I'm just going to copy this link up top. Then I want to go back over to my Sniply account. What you want to do is paste your URL here. Click Create Snip. And if you can't use that particular article, it will let you know. So I'm going to come back over here, find another article. You want to find something that's congruent with what you're marketing, or that's congruent with your. You know what? Let's just go entrepreneurs real quick. Copy this link. Go back over to Sniply. I'm going to paste the URL for that particular article, basically for entrepreneurs. You want to create a call to action. Mine says how to increase clients to your business. You can always create a new call to action. You can either add a button, text link with this free option. If you want to upgrade later on so you can utilize the rest of the features on the site, you can do so. But I'm just going to click on button, create a message, how to start a business in 2019. Button text. You want to insert a call to action. Yes, I want to learn more. And as you can see, your call to action pops up down here, and it's tied directly to the article. What you want to do is enter your website URL. And then you want to click continue. You're able to choose your color scheme. The theme, you can choose like this little insert here. It allows you to, looks like you're actually having a conversation with the viewer. You can go full width with it. It takes up, a lot more of the screen on the bottom. I don't really like that option. Have candy option, which is a little more rounder for the message. And then you have bean, which is more circular. But I'm going to just keep it as social. And then you want to click finish. All right. Once you create finish, you have successfully connected your article to your Sniply, and then you just simply copy your link. All right. This platform also tracks. You can also preview what you've just done. All right, so I got my article here, and I pop up down here on the bottom. And if after people take a look at your article, excuse the pop-ups, and they want to learn more, they will just simply click on your call to action below. All right, you can paste your link on any social media platforms, and you're not only giving value, but you also have the opportunity to get free leads just by simply creating content for your audience. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, real quick before I go, if you're interested in learning how to get 50,000 views to your products and services without spending a dime on advertising, contact me for a product demonstration, and I'll get that information over to you. All right, I'll drop all my information down below. If you're watching this from YouTube, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button on your way out.